In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A15 in case you have forgot the password. If you don't know how to unlock it, I don't know, maybe your kid has set up a password that he doesn't remember, or even yourself if you don't remember and there's no other options for you, you can do a factory reset and I'll show you how. Now, it's important to know that everything will be lost on it, so make sure. So if you didn't do any backup, well, unfortunately, all your pictures, all your accounts, all your videos, screenshots, text files, everything that is on the phone will be gone forever. Let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is to make sure the screen is turned on, and then you're going to press volume down and power button at the same time until the screen goes completely dark. Once the screen goes completely dark, you're going to switch, release, press volume up and power button until you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, release everything, wait, and you'll have a special menu appearing. So let me do it with you. Okay, I see something on the screen, that screen is turned on. I'm pressing power button, volume down, and I'm waiting until the screen is completely black. Black, I release and I press volume up and power button until I see the Samsung logo clearly on the display. Wait, okay, Samsung logo, I can release, and now I just have to wait. Don't touch anything at this point. Just wait and a menu will appear on the top here. On that menu, you'll be able to navigate using volume up and volume down. Here we go, it appeared here. And if I press volume down and volume up, I can change whatever is highlighted. So we need to select wipe data factory reset. Once wipe data factory reset is selected, press the power button to choose that, and then press volume down to go down and power button to select factory data reset. You cannot go back once you do this. It will take around, I think, 1 minute or sometimes just a few seconds. And after the factory reset will be done, you will come back on this screen and you need to select the first option now, reboot system now. So press this button, power button to select, leave it 1 minute. It will restart, and you'll be able to set it up as a brand new phone after doing that. Leave a like, comment if it worked, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.